So time shifting of the signal is represented by your original signal is x of t. Okay, after time shifting you are obtaining the signal y of t. So what operation you are doing on x of t? You are shifting it by a interval b. So x of t minus b equal to y of t, where b has to be a real number. So we are doing x of t minus b to obtain y of t. Now let us see if what is happening if I do that. So this kind of transformation, what it does is it shifts the signal either to the left or right, but only on the time axis or only on the x-axis. So it depends upon whether it is shifted to the left or right, depends upon the magnitude as well as not magnitude, polarity of the number b. So if b is greater than 0, y is shifted to the right by magnitude b with respect to x. That is, if b is greater than 0, that is x of t minus b. If b is greater than 0, so then the signal will be shifted to the right. It is known as delaying of the signal. Okay, the signal will be delayed because suppose your signal is at origin, your reference was origin. Okay, your reference is origin. Now by b time interval the signal is delayed. So after a time interval b only now the signal will start. Instead of earlier it was at origin, now it has delayed by an interval b. So this is known as the delaying of the period, delaying of the signal. Okay, if b is less than 0, now the signal will, that is x of t minus of minus b. So it will become x of t plus b. So now the signal will be shifted to the left. Okay, so if it is shifted to the left, it is known as advanced in time, because again let us take the signal was at origin earlier. Because of advancing means before your reference signal the signal has started, so it has advanced in time, so it will be shifted towards the left of the y-axis. So let us take an example and understand it more clearly. So this is a signal which is extending to the negative axis as well as positive axis of the time interval. Okay, now let us take first x of t minus 1. Okay, x of t minus 1. So your b is positive. Here b is 1. Okay, here b is 1 and it is positive. So the signal has delayed by a time of 1. The signal has delayed by a time. So the entire signal will get shifted by a time 1 towards the right. Now x of, let us take the next one, x of t plus 1, where here b is minus 1. So x of t minus of minus 1 will be x of t plus 1. Now the signal will get advanced by a time interval 1. You can see the signal whose axis was at minus 1, now it has shifted to minus 2. Whose center was at origin, now it has shifted to minus 1. And whose the right hand side position that was at 1, now it has shifted to origin. So the entire signal has advanced by a time of 1. Okay, don't add to the t and shift the signal. You just see what is happening, whether the signal is shifted, whether it is delayed or whether it is advanced. So you have to see the interval and accordingly the entire signal has to be delayed or it has to be advanced in time. Okay, the remaining operations we will take in the next class.